Hi folks, this is Adam, and today we're going to look at this fantastic blood glucose meter. First, I'm going to take the test strip out of the container and secure the cap. Next, you place it into the device. Next, I'm going to use an alcohol pad to wash my finger. Now let's go ahead and load the lancet device. I'm going to go ahead and take off the top and insert the lancet. Now just put the top back on, pull the lever in the back, and you're good to go. It is loaded and ready. Now I'll gently press the lancet device to the tip of my finger. Squeezing out just a little bit of blood, I'll wipe that off with a cotton tissue. Squeeze out a little bit more, then take your meter and allow the test strip to just touch the blood so it absorbs and you can get a reading. Just like that. Wait a few seconds and you'll have your results. 101, not bad for after lunch. And for reference, the set button is in the back. So that's how you use the blood glucose meter.